No, I don't know which one they are.
Actually?
I want to say, yeah, I don't. Because it was in a jumble. Just look for our number on that, I guess.
For breakfast, we had some eggs, some guacamole, some plantains, some yuca, and some papaya juice, as well as coffee or tea. Pretty solid. We've got a semi-long day today. Picking up our egg sandwiches, and then we'll be on our way. It's supposed to rain a lot today, so we got our raincoat and our waterproof jacket, our waterproof pants on. We had ran into Juanma and Itzel like 2 days ago when it started raining a lot, and then they were actually the ones that told us about the route being closed yesterday, and yeah, it worked out though, because they took the cable car as well as we did, and now we have what? How much time do you have left? 4 or 5 hours. What a thrill. Lunchtime. Yeah. Leave no trace. Get them. Old man needs his knee brace. What's MSNM?
Elevation.
Is that like the datum they use?
No. It's like
Meters?
meter standard something. Yeah.
Numbers managed. Right on.
Mischief managed.
Huh?
Mischief managed.
Yeah, big hair. You know, that's actually the book I'm supposed to be reading right now, but I haven't read it.
Maybe like a chip or something?
Sure.
Okay.
These chips are so dank, it's insane. Pretty cool. The train is coming, so we put pennies or soles on the fucking train tracks. So we'll see what happens. Well, we know what's gonna happen, but you get what I'm saying. Oh, it did? Oh, that was kind of... Oh, it did? Yeah. Actually? Nah. Gotta see it to believe it. Let me see the thing. Oh, shit. Look at that. Kind of flat, huh? Yeah. Pretty sweet. Not underwhelming. Yeah, well, kind of. I thought I was going to zoom by us, but it didn't. But I'll allow it. Huh? That's super sick. Up there? Damn.
Machu Picchu, baby.
That's insane.
Look at all this here.
Yeah, there's some ruins right here. Pretty neat, huh? Bought some fresh empanadas. Pretty solid. Anything possible to continue trekking on for a mile and a half. New life. Finally, we made it. It's been a long, long day. I don't know what we're doing after this, but stay tuned.
How'd it feel?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Now we're going to the hot springs, baby.
Woohoo! Scared me. I didn't get anything on over there.
convinced me to hop in the cold pool. Dude, this looks so gross.
Alright, within 10 seconds already. Within 10 seconds already.
That water was so actually disgusting. It looked so gross. Just got back from eating. Now I can say I've had ceviche in Peru. We also had alpaca. We went to go grab some snacks and some beers. So here's what we got. Another bag of these dank ass chips. Got some Pilsen, yeah, for me. And then Dane got this beer. And then he got the other flavor of that. We got some fucking watermelon chip gummies. And I think we're gonna get some empanadas later downstairs. There's a spot really close to us, so we're just gonna do that. Just gonna take it easy tonight because tomorrow, big day. We got Machu Picchu. I'm super excited. Just hope for good weather. And yeah, it's gonna be it for today. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.